All right, in this problem, it's very similar to the previous problem. It asks us to find the average speed, and before we do this, we'll read it. It says you travel 60 meters to the left in 20 seconds, and then you travel 60 meters to the right in 30 seconds. What is your average speed? So let's get organized. What we'll do is to underline the different portions of our journey. In the first portion of the journey, we go 60 meters in 20 seconds to the left. And then in the second portion of the journey, we go 60 meters to the right in 30 seconds. What is the average speed? The equation for average speed is total distance divided by total time. Now, not only do we have an equation for average speed, but from the previous part of the chapter we have an equation for total distance. I'll write that down. Total distance would be equal to d1 plus d2. And remember, distance does not have a sign. And total time would be equal to t1, the time for my first leg, plus the time for my second leg. So let's work our way backwards as we move towards finding the average speed. Change colors because we'll substitute numbers in. The time for the first journey is 20 seconds. That's t1. Plus the time for the second journey, that's 30 seconds, t2. That gives us a total elapsed time of 20 plus 30, 50 seconds. Now let's go back and find the distance. The first distance is 60 meters. And remember, distance is it isn't sign specific. It's just how far. It doesn't indicate which direction, so we don't even need left. Extra information. In the next portion, we go 60 meters to the right. Right is extra information, so D2 is simply how far, regardless of which direction. 60 meters. That gives us 120 meters. So now we have the total distance traveled. We'll need that. That is 120 meters divided by the total elapsed time, 50 seconds. And when we reveal the answer, total distance divided by total time, we find that the average speed is 2.4 meters per second. Very nice. Distance and displacement are not the same thing. We have to be very careful when we're making our computations.